Basically all I'm doing, guys, is throwing it out, dragging it just a little bit, holding it, see if that rod bend or something pull it. And you can pop it too like this sometime. Whatever you want to do, just give it a little action. Be slow in the summertime, real slow. Really, really slow. First fish of the day, guys. First fish of the day. Come now. On the old trick worm, guys. There we go. We're gonna weigh it, guys, and see how much it weighs. Thinking about 1.5 pounds. One 1.11. So a little over 1.5 pounds, guys. There we go. All right, everyone, first fish of the night, 1.11 ounces. There you go, 1.11 ounces. We're finna let it go back. Healthy, pretty fish. Got him on the trick worm. That night crawler imitation, guys. Summertime, they do it, they love it, they love it. Gone. Dang, did something else hit it? Did a big 30-pound blue try to get that? Hey, let's see if we can get us another one. I mean, he hit that close, guys. Very close. Right there. There we go, got another one. Ooh, they love that trick worm, guys. They love that trick worm. It's about 1 pound. Try to take it off. Let's weigh this one, guys. I say 1 pound, but maybe a little bit under 1 pound. Let's weigh it and see. All right, guys. 1.2, guys. If y'all can see that. 1.2. All right, guys, bass number 2. What I'm trying to show you guys in these last few videos I've been posting, besides those bluegill videos, I'm just trying to show you guys that for you guys to really believe that that trick worm does work in the summertime, guys. They're thinking it's a night crawler. That's all it is. Super hot, night crawler's out, and you can catch bass. If you're a bass fisherman with that black trick worm or any kind of worm, you know, just black like a night crawler. And you can try other colors, but that's the one I go with, and you will catch bass. I promise you guys, you'll catch it. All right, let's get this one in the water. Hope that big blue ain't right there waiting. Oh, that was that bass making that noise. Gone. Let's see if we can keep the party going. See if we can get us another one, guys. Bass number 3. Oh boy. On them, guys, on them. I'm on them. Right after the gym. I say this is about the size of the same one I caught earlier. Yep, no hole in there, so this is a new one. We're gonna weigh this one and see how much this weighs. I'll probably say about the same. Yeah, I think I did. Here we go. There you go, guys. 1.4. 1.4 ounces, guys. All right, guys, 1.4 ounces. If you guys gonna eat bass, this will probably be the size to eat, guys. The 1 2-pounder, maybe the 3-pounder. But pretty little healthy fish, guys. That worm producing. That worm is producing. Pretty little fish, guys. Let's see if we can get us 2 more, guys. 5 bass limit, 1-man limit. 5 bass, let's see. It's gonna be hard, but let's see what happens. See how close I was? God dang it, that joker took off with my. I tried to catch that joker took off with my bait. Plus I'm fishing with braid. I should have retied by now, but that joker took off. Well, y'all saw that one. That was bass number 4. Okay. Watch me go back and get this bass, guys. Watch this. Watch this, guy. I was hoping he was still there. I might get him. Sometimes they come back through. Went right back down and got him. This might be bass number 5 right here. Oh. You got off too? That's bass number 5. I'll hold one in my hand in a minute here. Oh, that's a nice one. Let me bend this hook a little bit. There we go, guys. There we go. There's a big one. Oh, it's something big right here. Oh my God. This might be a big catfish. If it's a bass, it's about a 10-pound bass. I ain't got no net. This might be a big old drum too. Oh, he let it. Oh no, he got it. Thought he let it go. I want y'all to see it, at least see it. What is this? Oh, a carp. I might have foul hooked it. Might have foul hooked it, guys. Boy, this joker took off like he was probably about a 20-30 pound catfish. Oh, it's doing what it. I got 6-pound test. It's doing exactly what it want to do. I can't do anything with it. It's going. That's what it looked like. If he ate it, I'd be surprised if he ate that. He ate that. Huh. A carp, guys, ate that worm. Is that a carp? Yep. Oh, no, I foul hooked it. I foul hooked. I can't do anything with it either. I ain't got no. That's probably about a 20-pound carp, guys, or maybe bigger. I can't do it. Ooh, in this little bitty body of water, guys. Look at that big old carp. I want y'all to get a good look at it before I try to get my lure back. If you guys can see it there. Get my camera. All right, guys, I'm fishing with the trick worm, and I just hung. I think he hit it. He might have swiped it and hit it by mistake, but it's pretty close to the mouth. But let me show you guys here. Look at this right here. That's probably about a 20-pound carp. God dog. Ooh, they strong, guys. I'm talking about they're like a red drum strong. Look at that, guys. I can't do anything with it. I ain't got no net. It would be good if that thing might be bigger than 20 pounds. God, but well, it might be close to 20. It's a pretty big carp. If not, I'm not sure. You carp guys, let me know what you think about the size of that. That's a big one. All right, let's see if I can get this thing loose. All right, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's see if I can get my lure back. I'm walking down the bank here. He's doing what he wanted. Ooh, I wish I had a net, guys. I could get this on I might still get it. I want y'all to see it. I got my scale here. I might get this. You guys might get a chance to see a big fish. And I mean a big one. Let me put my hand in here because I don't want to lose my scale if it gets to flopping. See if I can get them up on this concrete. I'm gonna bend down for you guys. I'm doing this for y'all, man. I normally wouldn't do this. Okay, let's see if I can get that. Oh, 52 years old. God dang it. Am I tripping? Am I tripping, old man? There we go. I did this for YouTube. I did this for YouTube, guy. Let me go in the ground. I don't want to lose it. Wow. God, I did that. I know I gotta get me some subscriptions. Ooh, that is freaking huge. I'm gonna weigh it too. I'm gonna say, man, that's pretty close to 20 pounds. I could be wrong though. I'm not good at the scale when I get to the big fish. All right, gosh. Man, look at that big old fish, guys. I'm gonna get it with my camera because I want to. All right, let me put my camera on so how much it weight. Oh, really? It says 12 pounds, 13 ounces, so it's not that big. Let me see. I would have thought it was bigger than that. That shows you I don't know much about. On my second one, I got 12 pounds, 11 ounces. So right at 12 pounds. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick this big nasty thing up. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick this big nasty thing up. There you go, guys. There you go. 12-pound carp. Catfish bait. Yes, indeed. All right, they very slimy like a catfish. Also, guys, that'll be ideal to catch big catfish too, guys. Cut that up into little slices. You can catch some monster catfish with that carp right there. Let me get them back in the water. All right, let's get them back. That was all right. That was a adrenaline rush. And today when I get out of work, I'm gonna go and see if I can get some bass. I'm gonna go and see if I can get a 5 bass limit. 1 man limit, 5 bass, I'm sorry. I'm kinda excited. I'm just gonna put it in right here. God dang it, it's going in there. See? All right, easy on over. Going back to the depth, and he's gone. That was